How to change your voice pitch in CapCut app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we are going to show you how to change the pitch of your voice in the CapCut app. So whether you want to make your voice higher, lower, or just get creative with your edits, you can just follow up the steps. For that, open up the CapCut app on your phone and tap on the new project button to start a new video editing project. So you can just go ahead and select up a video. For example, let me select this one right here. And once that is done, you can look for the option called extract audio in the bottom in the editing section. This one right here, just go ahead and tap on it and it will extract the audio. Once the audio is extracted, you can just go ahead and tap on the audio. And once that is done, you can look off for this option called audio effects. Go ahead and tap on it. And once that is done, you can look up for different pitch here. For example, echo or voice characters, hip hop, jazz, different pitches of different ranges of voice. So these all are the pro features that you can apply. And in order to change a pitch, in order to increase or decrease the pitch, you can just go ahead and put a lower pitch effect or a higher pitch effect. And for that, you can just go ahead and purchase a plan for CapCut. And then you should be able to change the voice pitch in the CapCut application as well. So if this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and I will see you in the next one.